Tube Mastery and Monetization Reviews, How I Run 9 Different Profitable YouTube Channels and Make 6 Figures from Them. Tube Mastery and Monetization is an effective course by Matt Parr that teaches how to start, grow, and monetize a hyper-profitable YouTube channel from complete scratch. The course educates from the fundamental information you need to proficient stunts and systems to adapt your recordings and benefit from it. The course talks about various rewards. It gives arrangements of more than 100 beneficial specialties with relative models from different channels. It helps in picking your specialty and molding the thoughts regarding it. It gives video script layouts. Facebook student group is an extra component with minimal utility yet can be useful for novices. On the off chance that you face issues during the course, you have a Facebook bunch of local areas to help you. You have previous understudies in this gathering who have encountered now to give you a great deal of extra assistance, backing, and motivation. Although many attempted to make a channel, they thought it was trying to keep dealing with it and enhance it. You can start, develop, and adopt a YouTube channel behind the screen and need not face the camera and procure 6 figures. The blueprint shows 3 phases of YouTube, beginning with beta phase to pick a specialty, the middle period of transferring 33 recordings, and the scaling period of rethinking the work. This current course's excellent source is to make you bring in cash, even though age doesn't make a difference. You can be around 15 years or 18 years like the proprietor Matt Parr, still, you can make 6 figures. In contrast to different projects, this technique has succeeded. Thus the maker is certain to impart it to other people. The proprietor additionally offers a 60-day unconditional promise, so you need not lose anything on the off chance that it doesn't work for you. Tube Mastery and Monetization YouTube course contain around 35 recordings, some take a more drawn-out time. Module 1, Overview of the Blueprint. Module 2, Choosing a Niche. Module 3, Setting up your channel for success. Module 4, Uploading videos. Module 5, the Growth module. Module 6, the Monetization module. Module 7, Scaling your channel. Advantages of Tube Mastery and Monetization. The plan to bring in cash on YouTube without indicating your face is useful to the vast majority. Added to it, these sorts of recordings make tons of cash. It's anything but an exhibition-based sort, thus you need not demonstrate anything to get a discount. Tube Mastery and Monetization training procedures are pragmatic and simple. Thus you can bring in cash from them. Matt Parr plainly clarifies the procedures. There are rewards in Tube Mastery and Monetization course. The substance partakes in a reasonable language, as referenced in Tube Mastery and Monetization audits. Tube Mastery and Monetization program Facebook group is advantageous for novices. The recordings are reappropriated, so that puts forth your attempt and significant. Click the first link in the description below to order the Tube Mastery and Monetization from official site. Get your $101 discount by clicking the first link in the description below.